Did you know you've been throwing away one of the most powerful superfoods? Leek greens are packed with hidden health benefits that can boost your body in ways you never imagined. Leek greens, often overlooked in favor of their white and light green portions, are packed with incredible health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. These dark green leaves are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being and promote long-term health. While many people discard them, their nutritional profile suggests they should be cherished rather than wasted. Leek greens are an excellent source of vitamin K, a nutrient crucial for blood clotting and bone health. This vitamin plays a significant role in the body's ability to heal wounds and prevent excessive bleeding. It also supports bone mineralization, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis, especially in aging individuals. Regular consumption of leek greens ensures that the body maintains adequate vitamin K levels, which can be particularly beneficial for those at risk of bone-related conditions. Additionally, they contain folate, a vital B vitamin that supports DNA synthesis and repair. Folate is essential for pregnant women, as it helps prevent neural tube defects in developing fetuses. By incorporating leek greens into meals, individuals can enhance their intake of this crucial vitamin, promoting better cellular function and overall growth. One of the most remarkable benefits of leek greens is their high antioxidant content, which helps combat oxidative stress and reduces inflammation in the body. These antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids, help neutralize harmful free radicals that contribute to aging and various chronic diseases. By reducing oxidative damage, leek greens may lower the risk of conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. The presence of kaempferol, a powerful flavonoid found in leek greens, further enhances their anti-inflammatory properties. This compound has been studied for its potential to protect cells from damage, support immune function, and promote cardiovascular health. Consuming leek greens regularly can help the body manage inflammation more effectively, leading to improved overall health and resilience against disease. Digestive health is another area where leek greens shine, thanks to their high fiber content and prebiotic properties. They contain inulin, a type of soluble fiber that acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria. These friendly microbes play a critical role in maintaining a healthy digestive system, improving nutrient absorption, and supporting a strong immune system. Inulin also aids in regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation by promoting a balanced gut environment. For individuals struggling with digestive issues or irregularity, leek greens offer a natural and effective way to support gut health. Furthermore, their fiber content contributes to better weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing overeating. As a result, leek greens can be an excellent addition to a balanced diet for those looking to maintain a healthy weight while supporting digestive wellness. The cardiovascular benefits of leek greens cannot be overlooked, as they contain compounds that support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Their high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, preventing hypertension and promoting overall cardiovascular function. Leek greens also contain allicin, a sulfur compound known for its potential to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of blood clots. This compound, found in many allium vegetables, contributes to improved circulation and overall heart health. Additionally, the presence of folate and vitamin B6 in leek greens plays a role in reducing homocysteine levels, an amino acid that, when elevated, can increase the risk of heart disease. By incorporating leek greens into the diet, individuals can benefit from these heart-protective nutrients and support their long-term cardiovascular health. Beyond their nutritional benefits, leek greens are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into various dishes. They add depth of flavor to soups, stews, stir-fries, and salads, making them an excellent addition to both raw and cooked meals. Their mild onion-like taste enhances the flavor profile of many dishes without overpowering other ingredients. Additionally, using leek greens in recipes helps reduce food waste, making them an eco-friendly choice for those looking to adopt more sustainable eating habits. By utilizing the entire leek, from its white base to its dark green leaves, individuals can maximize both nutrition and sustainability in their cooking. Their ability to blend well with other vegetables, grains, and proteins makes them a valuable ingredient for those seeking both health benefits and culinary creativity. Incorporating leek greens into a daily diet can lead to significant health improvements, from stronger bones and better digestion to enhanced heart health and reduced inflammation. Their impressive nutritional profile, combined with their versatility in cooking, makes them a highly underrated yet powerful food choice. Instead of discarding these nutrient-dense leaves, embracing them as a staple ingredient can unlock a wealth of health benefits that contribute to overall well-being and longevity. Don't waste this nutritional powerhouse. Start using leek greens in your meals today and unlock their full potential. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.